Perfect fall shade, Plum. So this is how easy it is. Look, I'm just swashing it across my lid, like no skill whatsoever. Just do this. So you can either make like a graphic line with it, or you can start blending it out and have this really soft plummy look, which is also really great. Make sure you're using a setting powder. That's how our eyeshadow pencils were designed, to be used with a perfect amount of setting powder so that you don't have all kinds of transfer and slip it. And then now I'm gonna show you it as a lip liner. So talk about sustainability, right? You can use it on your eyes and on your lips, and it's 2 products in one. I'm gonna wear with it lip oil in Connect. Look at that. Ooh. Sweetgrass on top of the Plum too is fantastic. Yeah, that looks amazing. 50% off my 2 favorite shades, Plum and Green Turquoise. Run, don't walk.